Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Builderall, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a YouTube video into your Builderall course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a YouTube video into your Builderall course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that some things are better described in video rather than just text. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Builderall dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Builderall, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a YouTube video into one of your courses, here on the left side, you're going to click on this little light bulb feature. It's called Build. Once you do that, you want to click on Build a Course. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the courses you've already put together. If you don't, for some reason, click on Courses here on the left. Once you've done that, go ahead and choose the course that you want to add a YouTube video into. So for example, this one right here, and you want to click on the pencil icon, Edit Course. All right, once you do that, you'll see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on Course Content. Okay, once you click on Course Content, you're going to see all of the different modules. So go ahead and open up the module that you want to add a YouTube video into. So for example, this one for Italian. Okay, for adding in a YouTube video, it's going to be handled on the lesson level. So as you can see, this is an international food course. So we're talking about Mexican food, Italian food, and Chinese food. And inside Italian food, this course is teaching how to make pizza, spaghetti, and meatballs. So maybe we want to add a video from YouTube showing how to make meatballs. So all you're going to do is click on this little pencil icon. All right, once you do that, up here at the top, you're going to see a menu, and you want to click on Content. Once you do that, you're going to see Content Type. Open that up and click on YouTube Video. Okay, now we're going to click here on YouTube Link, and let's jump over to YouTube and get a video showing meatballs. Okay, so I just opened up this video. So this is not my video. And in fact, you can use anybody's video as long as they have the little share feature right here on their video. All you're going to do is click on share, and then you're going to copy this link. Now, just note that if you're going to be using somebody else's video and they delete that video in the future, you're going to end up with a broken link. So just kind of keep that in mind. It's better if you use your own YouTube video. All right, once you've done that, go back here to Builderall, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste in the link here, and then click on Save Change. Okay, now we have a YouTube video in our Builderall course. If you need to change the video, you just come back in here to Edit and then Content, and you can see the YouTube link right. So now anybody who ends up on that particular lesson in my Builderall course is going to be able to see that YouTube video embedded into that lesson. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a YouTube video into your Builderall course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.